I'm Silvio Navarro, Managing Director of Navarro and Associates, Singapore. We are a firm that develops and delivers sales and sales leadership programs throughout Asia, Europe, and North America. I first learned about Noodle Factory in November of 2022 when I shared with them a big challenge I was finding difficult to solve, mainly that our workshops were getting increasingly challenging and required students to develop a deep understanding of buying personas they were selling to. That's when Noodle Factory suggested I take a look at Walter. The Noodle Factory platform has enabled us to create curated data sets for over 45 buying personas in 20 vertical markets. From an instructional design perspective, we've shifted from knowledge transfer designs to what we call know, show, do, review designs. Now we can help our students know or learn a new skill. We can show them how to apply that new skill and then have the students do it in the workshop and then spend time reviewing it in the workshop. This has all been made possible by the Persona Coach. Multinationals require supervised, curated, and walled off from public source data sets. They are also quite demanding when it comes to security and architecture. We have been really fortunate to have chosen Noodle Factory, as we've been approved for use in all of our largest MNC clients. The one key benefit my client base values most is inline language support. This really has been a game changer. The program had been tailored to support sales and pre-sale teams when interacting with C-suite executives. The client reported that the program received extremely high student feedback, an NPS score of 98%. On the Noodle Factory usage reports, we were able to validate that after the workshop, students were using Persona Coach to prepare for executive presentations. Walter received over 12,000 questions across 2,000 chats and was able to answer 99% of these questions with a student satisfaction score of 94%. We've gone from an average of 40 programs delivered per year to an average of 90 programs per year. What started as a program of a single delivery became a multi-year compulsory program for every sales role in the company.